Isang mapagpalang oras, Deuterium Project Beneficiaries. Alam ko ang mga itatanong ninyo. Alam ko kung ano ang nasa isip ninyo. Pero bago ko sagutin ang inyong mga katanungan, panoorin mo muna ito.
A law to boost the natural gas industry in the Philippines is signed by President Marcos Jr. The Philippine Natural Gas Industry Development Act seeks to increase the share of natural gas in the country's energy mix. It offers incentives to boost investments in the Philippine downstream natural gas industry. The Marcos Jr. administration aims to develop the Philippines into an Asia-Pacific trading and transshipment hub for liquefied natural gas. But this runs counter to the goals of the administration's Philippine Energy Plan to have renewable energy make up 35% of the country's energy mix by 20.
Ngayon, gusto kong ipaalala na nandyan pa rin ang company, nandyan pa rin ang presidente na siyang may panukala sa batas na yan. Kaya huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. So ngayon, kung gusto nyo bigyan natin ng percentage, ibibigay ko sa inyo is 90%